Not really. I have a business problem.
Okay, that one is easy now.
I'm facing a lot of challenges as the breadwinner in the family, and that has affected the capital for my business.
This has reminded me of my situation. You know, I went through the same thing.
It is.
Hi, until the Lord Almighty remembered me. God will remember you.
Amen.
When you go through it.
Amen. That is why I have come. Teresa, you are the only one that can help me out of this situation.
I'm not a pastor now. Be prayerful.
Of course, I am praying. Please, lend me 30,000 naira. I will pay you back. So.
30,000? Hi. You see that my shop? I'm still looking for money to put things in that shop. And when I'm 30,000, I've not stocked that shop. Hi! 30,000. God.
Does that mean that you're not going to lend me the money?
It's not that I can't lend it. I don't even have it. That's why I'm calling on God. I don't even have it. If I had it, I'll give you. You're my best friend.
Please help me talk to your husband. I will pay back.
My dear, you see, they say that all that glitters is not good. You gotta go. My husband, that is no go area.
Teresa thinks I'm a fool. She intentionally did not want to help me upon all I did for her. I am not going to take this. I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry. I am back.
This one you didn't go to the market?
No, I am not going today.
Why?
Nothing, my daughter.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I noticed that since you got back from Udogo's house, you've not been yourself.
Oh, my daughter, I am fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, my dear.
Okay. I want to go and see my friend.
I'll
be back. Okay, Mama.
Hi. Look at my beautiful daughter. Teresa's daughters are all married, and my only daughter is still in the same house with me. No man has ever come to ask for her hand in marriage. Hi.
One negative, very mean. Your brother is so wicked. How could he be so wicked to you?
Well, he thinks he can go scot-free. After all, he made me pass through in a cell. Not to worry. I'm gonna deal with him.
Mom, I support you. Make sure you deal with him. He insulted you.
Jerry. How are you? Your friend Odogu just told me you are back, that you came back this morning.
What have you come here to do?
I came to see you. Anyway, I'm very, very sorry for what happened.
Leave.
I should leave my own elder brother's compound.
Yes, Uncle, you heard me the first time. Biko, I don't want to do something that I'm gonna regret. So right now, leave.
But Jerry, what have I done wrong?
Oh, Bianwo came. You heard him the first time. Now leave!
My friend, will you shut up your mouth? Will you keep quiet? Don't talk when men are talking. Are you mad? Huh?
Yes, Uncle, right now, I am upset.
Good! I want you to beat her up for talking to me in a rude manner.
And because I don't want to disrespect you, Biko, for the last time.
Mpoba.
Ichokampu.
You've already pushed me to go beway Kwabamaka to people. My elder brother. I was expecting you to beat that girlfriend of yours for talking to your uncle rudely, Jerry. My brother. And you allow that girl to talk to your uncle like that anyhow. Jerry Jobi, Jerry, if you had pushed me, it would have been better. But he Jobi now, Papum, now be my elder brother.
Like I said before, make sure you deal with your brother. He insulted you.
I heard you the first time. Calm down. I have it all figured out.
Three years of marriage, yet nothing to show for it. My wife has never conceived for once. Now she has started giving me troubles here and there. Even her people cannot call her to order.
Wow. Hey. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a family. Before my country will back with the family.
Changing. I want to go to the market.
Changing, I am talking to you. I am ready to go to the market. Give me money.
If you're ready, is it my business?
Give me money.
Adora, I will not die because I married you.
Hey, one name. It's your choice. Each only we want. Need to one idendo. Pick one. All choice you call. Nyebe go.
I know that is what you and your mother want. I won't die.
Oh, Nam, leave my mother where she is and give me money. Oh, Fembian. Nyebe go. Oh, Gako was still one place. Can you be Naga? If I'm magic. Kulie anybody can Kulie. Where are you going to? Where?
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? Give me money. That's the meaning of this. Let me go.
Adora, I don't have money. I am a very poor man. That is what you and your wicked mother said.
Chejine, it is your dead mother that is wicked. In fact, our wickedness killed your father. And one can be very careful, Omaka. Very soon, it might kill you too. So give me money.
Adora, I regret the day I married you.
Hell! I'm happy the day I married you. Onyenzuzu, Mugu, Anu here. Oh, we are known to. Oga, who are you now? Are you Otedola, Dangote, Buhari, or Oban Kensonjo? Is that what you are?
I am changing.
I am changing. Oh, you going to see it pay? Oh, the GFM. Is that for change the ginger for the people in say.
Come on, live.
I'll just stay here and I can't live with. You should be happy that you are married to me. You got to church in the morning. We sing hallelujah, hallelujah. 7 times in the way they come. I'm a door and you remain. Your door is alone. Oh, God, give me money.
Adora, leave me.
Leave you where?
I'll push you.
Push you.
I said leave me, I'll push
Okay,
you.
I can push you.
I'll push you.
You can't push me.
I'll push you.
Let
I'll push you.
Let me go.
I'll push you.
Give me.
I'll push
Let
you.
me go. Give me.
I'll push you.
Give me. Boom.
I'll push you.
Boom.
I'll push
Give
you.
me. Boom.
I'll push
It's a
you.
lie.
No problem. Jerry, I will deal with you. I will teach Jerry a lesson. I will teach, you see Jerry, I will teach me a lesson. I will deal with you, Jerry.
Now you
I greet you. Thank you, Odogu. Could you imagine? Jerry, my own eldest brother's son, the name, chased me out of my brother's house.
Do you have any problem with him?
Odogu, Jerry is the only one in the best position to answer that. Jerry, I went there. You know you told me everything. Now, Jerry Jilo B. We pa my car. Odogu we da mbia kanane. If Jerry had just, said, okay, go, I would understand. Mana Ojobi, he said it. Odogu, do you want me to push you? Do you want me to push? That means that all conclude to go in his heart to push me. What is Inlaw? Mobredo madakanono. O push gonum. Obio Zondalu. Biakanane. I will deal with Jerry. I will deal with him. I will deal with him, Odogu.
Just calm down, okay? But that was very. I don't know, man. How would he do that to you?
Odogu. Jerry, your friend, Onangu, we goof. If you are saying goof is just a baby to we. But if Jerry is drinking me, I am going to, smoke comes out when he smoke. But me, I will use my own and cook soup. I will mix my own. Then I will now tell Jerry that I have taken what is more than wee. I will tell Jerry that. So if he thinks he's wee something, I am the one that is the wee-weest. I am the wee-weest. Tell Jerry. Tell Jerry what I said. Jerry is smoking wee, but I plant wee. I am the wee-weest. Jerry is the wee. I am the wee-weest. Tell him that. Tell Jerry that he is the wee. I am the wee-weest because I plant wee at the back of my house, and Jerry knows that. I will deal with Jerry. He thinks it's all about drinking wee. I plant wee. I am the wee-weest.
My wife is not back yet.
No, brother, she's not.
Kate!
Hi! Agukumo! Aga! No!
Mama! Welcome.
Well done. Hey! Aga! I greet you.
Welcome.
They are fine. Agukum.
Good evening, ma.
Greet very well, like a girl, not kitty feet.
Good evening.
Baby, how are you? Have you eaten? Have you had something to eat? Okay, nice. Mama, we need to take. I need to take you to your room. Yeah, so you need to go and take your bath now.
The one, no, it's still okay now.
No, Mama. You need to take your bath.
I should not forget.
Do you understand?
I should not forget.
Yes, so Mama. Let's go.
Aguku. Ago, smile. Is your in-law here for holidays? Chicken orchid. Aguku. Agomo. Hey, Awa Makani. You're sweating even under air condition. That means my daughter is doing well. Oh, yes. Oh, Joro. Oh, come on.
What's the meaning of this? How can can Vivian go and bring her mother into this house without informing me?
Are you saying that you are not aware of her visit?
I'm just as shocked as every other person.
Brother, you should do something about this. Do not keep quiet before Imalo. She will go and bring her kindred.
You're right.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I can get a family. Before my country, we back with the family.
What is your mother doing here?
What sort of stupid question is that? No, as a matter of fact, are you the one asking me that or someone is talking to you?
Why did you invite her without letting me know?
The last time I checked, your mother and your sister came to this house without letting me know. So what's the difference? No, tell me, why do I even have to let you know before she comes to the house?
Mind the way you talk to me, I'm your husband.
Oh, please. Give that certificate just fling it to the... Just throw it away. What's this husband thing? A man that cannot stand for his right. A man that cannot defend his wife. Is that what a husband? As a husband? Oh, please. Well, Mr. Man, if you must know, my mother is already in the living room with your own mother. You see this house? They will pull it down. Hey. Chike. No, wait, you wanted to hit me. Chike, you wanted to slap me. Because I brought my mother to my own husband's house. Chika, you will kill me today. You will kill me today. Slap me. Slap me, oh. No, slap me now. You want to slap your wife. For your mind, you have strength. Go and face your other men outside. Go and fight them. Or better still, fight your mother, not me. Or better make your frustrations. You understand me? Are you mad? It's a Pagima. You want to beat your wife. No, touch me. Slap me. Slap me, Chika. Slap me.
Your mother went to Vivian's place last night. Hope all is well. There's no problem. So how's your husband?
Papa, he's the reason why I'm here to see your mama.
What is the problem?
Papa, my husband is threatening to leave me. He says he wants to leave me because we are not fertile. I don't have a child for him yet.
Did you quarrel with him?
Yes. Yes, Papa, I would not lie. My husband has been so unfair to me. He feels I'm not fertile. He feels the fault is from me. There's nothing that I have not done to conceive for him. I have done everything within my powers. What more should I do? I don't understand.
It's all right. I will come over to see him.
Papa, this is not the matter of coming to see him. I am getting tired of this marriage. The whole thing is choking me up. My husband, he maltreats me. I can't even explain it.
That's the reason I said I need to see him.
Papa, this is not the issue of coming to see him. It is not. My husband is struggling to go meet another woman to get pregnant for him. Papa, I'm tired.
It's okay. Don't worry. You see, your mother is not even helping matters. Look at the way she spoke to him the other time when he came here. I didn't like it at all. And she will not allow me to talk. She's so domineering.
Look, Papa, please. Do you know where I can get solution to my problems? I don't sleep anymore. It is not funny anymore, Papa. It's been from one pain to the other. I need to get solution to this problem, Papa. The whole thing is choking me up. Please, do you know where I can go to and get solution?
Mama, I have observed her mother very well. And from the result I got, Mama, that woman that your son married is her mother's replica. Otireti or wepu. Where the fediche? Two ajabaras.
Time has come for us to go. Because there's certain things I cannot condone. No.
Mama, are you the one saying this? You want to run away from your son's house? Mwibu 9 months more.
Ije, you got water. We have to go. I cannot stay here any longer. I don't want to create further problem for your brother. Let us go.
Mama, please. Brother Chike is my brother. And he is your son. I am not going back to the village. If I been at this house, we bury coma. What am I now?
I will be going to the market now. Hey! Mama. My customers are waiting for me.
You are this your business.
What do you want me to do? Your mother is a hard worker. So I have to work very hard.
Mama, if you like, work hard. If you like, don't work hard. Don't.
Hey,
Mama.
No.
Mama, make sure you buy me something when you're coming back home.
You need to say it. I will buy you things, but make sure you cook delicious meal for me before I come back. Yeah. And when I mean delicious, I mean you see when he eat and you put this stuff fish. Goat head.
Baby.
Cow tail. Give them fish. Oporo. They'll be dancing in the
Mama, don't you trust your daughter? Don't you trust your daughter? Don't you trust me?
Turn it for your mother. Like a mother, like a child. Hey!
Mama, you know what I can do.
I know. I'm
going to teach you.
Bagam Oripe. Cooking very well.
Don't you trust me?
Let me tell you. You see, as I'm going that now,
yes.
You have to be careful.
I am careful.
Makanoni robara buruburu.
So I know that one, Mama.
If you want to use onions, wash it. Be prayerful when you're washing it. Pray while washing
the onions.
The knife. Pray. Wash it.
Yes.
Because you can use invisible rope and
I know, Mama.
They don't reach.
Come back fast. So this is your home. Eh? This is your second problem.
No. Remove second. This is first.
Mama, your first.
Say it louder. Say so. I'm telling you. And when you're cooking, add this pepper.
Yes, so Mama,
Kukwa. That pepper. Anybody that cough in this house,
Holy Ghost,
fire! They must die. Say it. One of them say it. Take care of them. I know, Mama. Tozo and the
Very poor woman, a wretched.
Odago.
Who are you?
Never mind. What are you searching for?
I'm searching for my things.
And you think you can find them? Go back. Go back to what your fathers left for you. And all that you have lost will be restored.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. Go! Go!
What kind of dream is this? Ancestors?
My husband has been so unfair to me. He feels I'm not fertile. He feels the fault is from me. There's nothing that I have not done to conceive for him. I have done everything within my powers. What more should I do? I don't understand.
It's all right. I will come over to see him.
Papa, this is not the matter of coming to see him. I am getting tired of this marriage. The whole thing is choking me up. My husband, he maltreats me. I can't even explain it.
Even Vivian has not also conceived. What could be the cause of this problem?
All this your problem started immediately you abandoned the ways of your forefathers and embrace the white man church.
Ibubagu, don't just go there. Please don't go there at all. Eh? Don't remind me of the past. The old things have passed away. Please. Abandon what?
Udog, your fathers are angry with you. Come to think of it, have you asked yourself this question? Why is it that 2 of your daughters who are married in their husband's place have not been able to conceive? Udog,
let me tell you. God has time for everything. Yes, at the right time, my children will conceive.
I'm telling you this because we are friends. Your forefathers are angry with you. You need to appease them. Appease them so that your way will go. Goes on the jacket.
God forbid that I should appease ancestors. Ancestors what? How? I can only appease the Almighty God because the earth is His and the fullness thereof. Have you not read it in the scriptures?
Don't say that I did not warn you.
Are you not going to work today?
What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? Were you not there when I complained that my tipper is at the mechanic?
I'm sorry. What about the money I asked you of yesterday? I need it now.
Are you alright? Huh? I just told you about the problem I'm having and you are still asking for money. Look, don't disturb me. Let me sort out my problems myself, okay?
Mommy, I don't know why you are sounding like this. I don't know why you are sounding like this.
You don't know? It's alright. Anyway, you've heard me clearly. I don't have money. You can go.
Papa, I am your only son. You have to take care of me. It is your responsibility to take care of me very well.
So, because you are my only son, I should kill myself for you, Ekwa? I don't blame you.
By the way you are treating me is not good though. I'm your only son though. I don't even know why this man is shouting like this afternoon. Ordinary morning and he's shouting. But this is not fair. I'm your only son.
Where is Nkechi? I thought she's here. Nkechi! Nkechi! Is it Nkechi! What are you doing?
I'm washing the pot I used to cook.
Mama, go and wash your hand and come and write something for me.
Okay, Mama. Hold on, let me wash your hand.
Tomato is ejidi. Kama body is in. Ba o chakogadi. Ba radisi to. Okay.
Beckham. Yes. Hey, V1, put me that channel I was watching last night.
Nah, man. I knew you like that channel.
Yes,
you like
it's
it.
a nice channel. I'll put it for you.
Vivian, what do you want to do?
I put the, did anyone say anything? I just put the channel.
Are you mad? How dare you change the program I was watching? Are you mad? Huh?
Look at my
Mama, let me have the remote. For what? You there, Mama. Change back to the station. I was watching.
Vivi! Collect that remote.
Don't give it to her.
Let me have the remote.
Why?
Because this is my husband's house. This is my house.
And this is my brother's house. This is my brother's house and I have every right to do it.
Okay.
In my husband's house?
Yes.
Okay, you want to seduce your brother? Come here, your pa. Aye! Abomination. Abomination.
Don't do that like that.
Vivi! Take that remote and smack her down. Smack her down.
Let me have the remote.
Mama, I'm back home.
Ma, what kept you now?
I'm back, Jerry.
You wasted time.
I was delayed at the gate.
Did you see him?
No.
Hey,
But
who then did you give the letter to?
I gave it to the secretary now. She said he has closed for the day, so I gave it to the secretary.
You should have come back with this letter, eh? I don't want the content to leak.
Mama, it will not leak. The secretary assured me that immediately he comes to work tomorrow, he will give him the letter. So,
Ha. But
Mama, you still have not told me how you got that information.
My daughter, let's not talk about this. That is the same reason I do not want the content to leak.
But do you think he will believe all those things?
I don't know until he sees the content.
I pray he believes you, Sha.
Pray so. Ngwa. Jena ni fensi yanoko. She should have come back with the letter. Before I knew it was affair. Yeah.
Vivian, how could you be in this house and allow a thing like that happen?
Why don't you tell your mother and your sister to leave this house? You know why? Because I'm not ready to be a slave to anyone I won't.
And who is a slave here? Why are you talking like this? Answer me.
I don't need it to. What is this one now? No, what is it? What's your problem? Do you have a shoutingitis disease? Why are you always screaming? No, tell me why you're trying to put this blame on me now. What have I done this night? Pico, don't even start with me.
Do you realize that any insult you give to my mother is indirectly an insult to me?
Well, I did not insult your mother. She insulted herself. I mean, why did it cry for my mother to come and be in the same house with her? Why can't they stay together?
Your problem is that you never ever admit your mistakes. If you don't change your ways in this house, we're going to have it hot too.
Whatever. Me, I'm ready to give it to you too. Hot. I don't care. As far as I'm concerned, your mother and your sister, they should go. Simple. As long as they decide to be a thorn in my flesh in this house, I will keep devouring them more. I'm gonna if you're hot, I see the hot.
Now let me sound a note of warning to you. Let this be the last time anything like this will happen in this house. The next time it happens, you will see the other side of me.
That warning should be for your mother and your sister, not for me. Good night.
will not allow you to intimidate me in my son's house. You know what I mean?
And you think I will allow you, go Tera, intimidate me in my daughter's house? This is my daughter's house. They have equal right to this house. So you have no right to tell me nonsense. Okay, like go to good guy.
You are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself for causing trouble into another person's house. You know what
If you remember, this is my daughter's house. Go to your husband's house. Go to your husband's house and leave my daughter's house.
This is my son's house. You go to your own son's house. This is a son that I carried 9 good months here. And I fed him with his breast for a year and 3 months. So you have no right here. And you can't chase me out.
The breast is flat already. This one is standing with a beautiful girl. Mama. And this is my daughter's house.
I can see that you are swimming in the ocean of poverty. That is why you are here to accommodate and dominate.
No. This is my daughter's house. And a beautiful young girl. They can padded the breast. Go to your husband's house.
Mama, go to your son's house. Go and locate your own son. When you're poverty. So you still have enough strength to talk with this woman?
Don't have a name who strike you dead. If Froggy, look at you. A young girl like you, your breasts are flat already. What will a man suck in this thing? And you're carrying a padded nyash. Just be moving around. You turn it this side, you turn it this side, everywhere. You're better married.
Pointed. I with decimal point. I can come again, my own. I can come again.
Look at it, stand still. Not even shaking. My daughter has a padded breast like the mother. And this is how
it's your generation that turned that with fire.
Your great generation, your great-grand generation, your grandparents, thunder will strike all of you. They are dead already. They are not even living. Look at you.
Poverty. You are swimming in the ocean of poverty. You have seen better house. Also, cause one big ass, okay?
Only he will pardon the kid. He didn't push. Mad people. Only you lose the weight, no lie. You lose weight.
Thank you for the cola.
Don't mention. Because the thing is, the Amazon problem. So, did you come with the list?
Yes, I did. You can read it out. That's it.
2 big rams.
Yes.
3 white cocks. 15 tubers of yam.
On here.
2 kegs of palm wine. 2 bottles of hot drink.
Yes.
4 cola nuts. 2 pieces of white cloth. 2 pieces of red cloth.
Yes.
Local chalk. Alligator pepper. Bitter cola.
Yes, Mbakilo.
And 5,000 naira cash.
Ogucha. Let me tell you something. You see this list? You must provide them all. And the ceremony must take place in the next Eke market day.
Ebubago, these items, the cost of providing them, it will be very huge.
Yes, it will. But I want to assure you that after doing all these things, your family, everything in it will come back to normal. Uzoga Chake, your daughters who are in their husband's house will bear children for their husbands.
It's all right. I'll get back to you.
It's okay.
I will have to discuss the list with my family members.
No problem. No problem. But Matakwada has the make haste while the sun shines. You know. So just hasten it up. The next market days here. I have to take my leave.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. My regards to your family.
Thank you.
Okay.
Go well.
Just do it. Okay. I know that it will pay, but after this, you will see.
I know you might not understand the content of this letter because of the spell cast on you by your mother-in-law, Teresa. She did it so that you will forget about the tipper you gave her husband. The same Teresa now has a shop at Ogige Market. She connived with your wife, who has been indirectly collecting money from you each time you give her money to get things for household. Let this letter be an eye-opener to you.
Who are you and why did you barge into my office without knocking? We are here to see you. Is that enough reason for you to display this kind of mannerlessness? Do you lack man? How can you barge into someone's office? Jesus.
Now you see why we don't have manners.
Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please.
Stand on your feet.
Please, don't
your hand in the air.
Stand up! Get up! Please, I'll give you anything you want, don't shoot me.
Now move it.
To where?
We are going on a ride.
Don't let us repeat ourselves. Move. Don't repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself.
Mama, the truth is that I am tired of this house. Let us go back to our village.
Ijoma, you are the reason I am still here today. And I cannot leave now that Vivian's mother is around. She will laugh at me. I will stay here and see the end of it.
Mama, I know I was the one that asked you to stay back when you wanted to leave. But please, there is no need rubbing shoulders with that woman. She has no shame.
I will not leave this house. This is my son's house because of this woman and her daughter. No way!
Vivian, what is it?
Did you hear me? Did you leave my kitchen right now, yes or no?
What kind of question is that?
Do not answer my question with the question. Did you just leave my kitchen right now, yes or no?
Vivian, I did not enter your kitchen.
Okay.
Rather, I entered my brother's kitchen.
Wait, who happens to be my own husband, right? That means you just left my kitchen.
Why are you asking her such questions?
Mama, this daughter of yours is a thief. You are a pathetic, useless thief. I left 10,000 naira in the kitchen just to go upstairs, pick up my phone and come down, Mama. I can't find the money anymore.
Are you
and from what gets said, she was the last person that left that kitchen. So let me have my money.
Vivian, wait a minute. Are you saying that she stole your money?
Mama, I said she's a thief. Mama,
Vivian! I have taken more than enough. If you call me a thief one more time, you will not like what I will do to you.
Shut that thing in between your face. Shut it up. Look at this idiot. You still have the right to talk. You should be ashamed of yourself. If I were you, I'll be hiding my face inside this tree. You took my money and you're still telling, listen, you can sell though. I will so deal with you. You will not like my actions if I don't have that money.
Do not call me a thief again. Anything you want to do, do it. You want to go to the shrine, call the police, call the army, anything at all you want to do. Do it. I am ready for any action you want to take. Okay. But do not call me a thief.
What are you doing? Are you going to me? Oh, you're crying. Oh, you're crying. Now let me tell you something you do not know. When you're done crying, or by the time I am through with you, these tears of yours will not even save you. Let me have that money. If I don't,
Vivian, you are stupid.
You are useless. You are one like a stupid person. You are a thief. You are a thief. You are a thief. How many people thief? Your uncle is a thief. Your mother is a thief. Your mother is a thief. You too. You are a thief. You are one like you. You are not like me. Mother is a thief. All of you are thieves. You are one like you. Want to buy thief. 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 That's what you are.
That woman is looking for my trouble, and I will give it to her before I leave this house. Vivian! Vivian!
Hey, Jama!
You must come back here. How dare you call me a thief? I don't know you, Vivian! Hey, Jama, come back here! Hey, Jama! Come back, come back.
Not picking. Chiki, pick up your call. Who is that?
It's Kate, ma'am.
Just come in. Pick up your call because if you do not, Jim must pay me for this rubbish.
I'm sorry, ma, but there are some people downstairs looking for you. They said they are from Uncle's company.
Some people are looking for me?
Yes, ma.
Where are they?
They are downstairs.
You can go. Okay. Where is my mother-in-law and then where is my husband's sister?
They are with the visitors downstairs.
You can go. Something is not right here. How come some people from my husband's company is downstairs? And then Chike is not even picking up my call. What's going on?
Teresa's in-law kidnapped. Hey. Who knows if he has seen the letter I sent to him? This is why delay is dangerous. If Nkechi had gone there on time, she would have delivered the letter directly to him.
You've been sitting here since I got back. Are you okay?
That is because I am not happy.
Is it because of Adora's in-law's kidnap?
It is because of that letter I asked you to deliver to him.
What about it?
Ne. There's every possibility that he did not get that letter before he was kidnapped.
Mama, I think the secretary must have given him the letter before that kidnap happened.
That is the reason you will go back there to that secretary to find out if he actually got the letter before the kidnap.
Back there? Mama, I can't go back there.
It's again?
I can't go back there after what happened.
Will you do as I've told you?
Mama, stop shouting and stop looking at me like that. How can I go back? Mama.
Are you talking back at me?
Mama, Calm down.
Calm down, no, Putaka. Let me meet you here.
Jerry, your phone has been ringing for a while. I could even hear your ringtone from inside the house. Why have you refused to take your calls?
Hey, my sister calling now. No problem.
Your sister? That's the reason you should take the call, to find out why she has been calling and calling and calling.
Yeah, I will not.
Why? Jerry, see your uncle hurrying into the compound and you're not taking your sister's call. Are you sure something bad has not happened?
What is he doing here again?
Jerry, your mother says she's been calling you and you're not picking your call.
Is there any problem?
Jerry, your younger brother Chike has just been kidnapped right inside his office this afternoon.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
Oh.
Jerry, please don't ask me how. Call your mother or your sister right now, please. Call them. You're asking me how.
Jerry.
He's been kidnapped. So?
Jerry.
Jerry, call your mother and your younger sister now. Hey. Onye palo Jerry aka. Onye gasalo Jerry.
Jerry, your brother has been kidnapped.
Jerry, onye gasalo. Jerry, please call your mother.
So?
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country way back with the family. Can you cover the messy me to Hopi Modi Panocha? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Is this Chike's wife?
Yes, this is Chike's wife.
Well, my name is Kidnapper.
Hi!
And your husband is here in our custody. Do you want him dead or alive?
No. I want him alive. I don't want anything to happen to my husband. Please, I beg you. Please.
Quiet. Now listen and listen carefully. It will cost you 200 million naira. That is if you want him alive.
Jesus Christ. Sorry. Where am I going to get that kind of... I don't have that kind of amount of money now. Please, too much. Please.
Now speak with your husband if you think we are playing here.
Okay, please.
Hello, darling.
Hey, hello, baby. What happened?
I was in my office.
Okay, and then... Hello, baby.
You heard your husband's voice, right? Now listen. If you report to the police or fail to bring the 200 million naira, I'm sorry, your husband will be a dead man. Did you hear me?
Please, I beg you. Please, hello?
Vivian, what did they say? Who is that?
Mama, I am finished.
Before Jesus,
Mama, they said I have to bring 200 million naira or they will kill Chike. 200 million naira, Mama.
Are they stupid? 200 million. Yeah? 200 what? They are robbers. And what do you want to go and do? We are going.
aka kambia kwara kamnyere fanu ifoma kanjiwe bakute fanu.
Remember the first letter I sent to you that day you were kidnapped? Please do not joke with it. Now I am sending this one to you again. You have a heartless woman as an in-law. She persuaded your wife not to pay the kidnappers for your release. Do you know why? She wanted you dead in the hands of the kidnappers so that her family will inherit your wealth. Your wife can tell you more about this. Thank you.